The Democrat Socialists are at it again and assaulting the USA. Hi, this is Rosie from Socialism Sucks News. Washington, D.C. US Attorney Jeanine Pirro announced charges Friday against a Democrat socialist who vandalized the Capitol's World War II memorial by pouring bubble soap into its fountain and spray painting a cryptic message on its stone edifice. Pirro said prosecutors in her office were filing 2 felony charges against Democrat socialist Melissa Farris, accusing her of depredation against property of the U.S. and destruction of veterans' memorials. Farris is in federal custody currently, added Pirro. Each count carries a penalty of up to 10 years in prison upon conviction. What do you think? How much more contempt for the USA do the Democrat Socialist have to show before we fight back? Share your thoughts in the comments. On a side note, Facebook put restrictions on our page and are limiting our audience due to our conservative values. Share these reels to get us and the truth out there. Oh, and don't forget to like and hit the follow button for more Socialism Sucks news.